Hello everybody, this is Navneet, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a practice problem on vector dot product. So the question is, if the vectors 2i cap and 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap and xi cap plus 2j cap minus k cap are perpendicular, then find the value of x. So here we have to find the value of x. So since we know if the two vectors are perpendicular, then the angle between the vectors is 90 degree. So the angle between vector and vector b is equal to 90 degree. So that means the cos 90, since the cos 90 is equal to 0, and since the vector a dot b is equal to ab cos theta and theta is given 90 degree, so the a dot b is equal to ab cos 90 and the value of cos 90 is equal to 0. Hence, the dot product of these two vectors, vector a dot b, is equal to 0 because the cos 90 is equal to 0. So, the vector a and b are 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap and xi cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So, we have to find the dot product of these two vectors and make it equal to 0. So, here is the 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap dot xi cap plus 2j cap minus k cap is equal to 0. Now, since you know the dot product of two vectors, so this will become 2x plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2 and 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So the 2x plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0 because a dot b is equal to 0. So this will become the 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you can find the answer very easily. Okay. So next we'll discuss the next problem on vector dot product. Okay, equal to C, then which of the following is wrong? So by definition, we know the definition of the vector a cross b. So the vector a cross b is equal to mod of vector a mod of vector b into sine theta n cap, where n cap is represents the direction of vector a cross b. That is, it is perpendicular to both vector a and vector b. So a cross b is perpendicular to both vector a and vector b. So if a cross b is equal to vector c, then we can see that vector c is parallel to a cross b. So if vector a cross b is perpendicular to both the vectors vector a and vector b, since vector c is parallel to a cross b, hence vector c is also perpendicular to both the vectors a and vector b. So by this conclusion, we can see, we can tell that vector c is perpendicular to a and b. So this is a correct option. So this is not our answer. C is perpendicular to a. This is correct. So this is, we have to find the wrong option. Okay. So this is not our answer. And C is also perpendicular to b. This is not our answer. C is perpendicular to a plus b. If vector c is perpendicular to vector a and vector b, then vector c will also perpendicular to vector a plus vector b. Okay, so this is not our answer. Here vector c perpendicular to a cross b, this is wrong because we have already seen that vector a cross b is equal to vector c. So the vector c is parallel to vector a cross vector b, and c is also perpendicular to a and b. So this is wrong option. So this is wrong. So this is our correct option. Okay.